Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Miata door handle. First, you'll need to carefully remove the interior door panel, often called the door card. Use a plastic pry tool to release the clips around the edges. Once loose, disconnect any electrical connectors for the window switch or speaker and detach the door lock and opener cables. Then, locate and remove the screws that secure the handle assembly. With the door panel off, gently peel back the plastic moisture barrier to gain access to the inside of the door. This sticky barrier protects internal components from water. Look inside the door cavity to identify the handle's mounting points. You'll typically find two bolts, often 10 mm, holding the handle to the door frame. A long extension on your socket wrench can be very helpful here. Now, carefully unclip the rods that connect the handle to the door latch and lock mechanisms. These usually have plastic retainer clips that pivot away. After disconnecting the rods and removing any final bolts or nuts, you can gently wiggle the exterior door handle loose. Pull it away from the door panel, guiding any remaining linkages through the opening. The handle should now be free. When reinstalling, reverse the steps, ensuring all rods and electrical connections are securely fastened. Before fully snapping the door panel back into place, test the handle's operation and the window function to confirm everything works correctly. This prevents needing to reopen the door. For more great tips and product recommendations, like the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for an upgraded clean game, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.